This is Yasmin and I welcome you to hyderabadwala.com. Today I'll show you how to make fried mutton fingers. Take half kg mutton steaks. Wash and strain the water thoroughly. For this, keep the steaks in the strainer for about half an hour. Grind together 2 tablespoons raw papaya pieces, 3 green chillies again cut into pieces, 3 tablespoons chopped coriander, and 2 tablespoons mint leaves. Grind together into a paste. Place the mutton steaks in a large flat bowl. Add the ground paste of mint, coriander, papaya and chilies. Add 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste, half teaspoon turmeric powder, 2 teaspoons red chili powder, 1 teaspoon spices or garam masala powder, 1 teaspoon salt, juice of half a lemon. Now mix well so that all the steaks are coated well with the spices. Leave this for about 1 hour if the mutton looks tender, or else leave for about 2 to 3 hours if you are using the frozen mutton. Mix again in between the marination time. When the marination time is over, add half cup oil to a frying pan. Mix the marination again and lower the steaks into the hot oil. Turn or flip when it attains a brown color. You can check in between the frying time. When both the sides are fried well, remove from the pan and repeat with the other steaks. Now cut all the fried steaks into medium strips using a sharp knife. To the remaining oil in the pan, add 1/4 cup more oil. When the oil is hot, add the strips. I'm adding half of the strips that can accommodate in the pan. Stir occasionally and delicately to prevent breakage. When the strips turn dark brown and crisp, remove from the pan. Repeat with the remaining strips. Sprinkle some chaat masala and serve with raw onions. The delicious mutton fingers are ready. Serve as it is or you can serve with rice and any gravy curry. Thanks for watching. Do try and give me your valuable feedback.